everyone, and welcome to Level Up English with me, Ashley Hale. Today we are going to focus on some business English, more specifically some financial business English. We are going to look at words that can be used to describe finances, or rather, money. I'm not going to waste too much of your time, so hit that subscribe button and let's learn English. Number 1, profit. Profit is money that is earned after paying the cost of producing and selling goods and services. So it's the money you make after all your costs. So just say my business is to make glasses. After I buy the frames and put in the lenses and then sell the glasses, the money that is left after that entire transaction is the profit. Or just say I teach English for $5, but it costs me $3 to create the lesson and pay the cost towards the lesson. Then my profit would be $2. In a sentence, we can say, my company made a huge profit last year. Number 2, turnover. Turnover is the total money received from the sales of goods and services. The difference between profit and turnover is that profit is after all your costs have been paid and turnover is before all your major costs have been paid. Example, my company made a small turnover last month. Number 3, costs. Costs refer to the money you have to spend in order to keep a business running. Example, it's important to keep my business costs to a minimum. This means that it is important for me to keep my business expenses as small as possible. Interest rate. This is the amount that the bank charges on money that it lends to people. So if you borrow money from a bank, you'll need to pay back that money plus a small percentage extra. The extra amount that you pay is the interest. In a sentence, we can say, the bank gave him a high interest rate on his loan. Number 5 is debt. Notice my pronunciation. The B in debt is silent, so we say debt. This is a sum of money that is owed to another person or institute like a bank. If I borrow money from you, then I have a debt with you. It means that I owe you money. Example, I need to pay off my debt, or I have a lot of debt because I took out many student loans. Volatile. This is a lovely word because it is not exclusive to business English. When something is volatile, it means that it is unstable and can experience many quick and unexpected changes. People can be volatile and finances can be volatile. In the context of this lesson, we can say the stock market is currently volatile. Number 7, asset. An asset is something that is owned by a person or by a company, and it usually goes up in value. Example, my house is my biggest asset. Liability. This is something that a business or person is legally responsible to pay money for. It can also be something that puts you or your business at risk. Example, my debt with the bank is a huge liability. Or Jack is a huge liability. Maybe Jack puts your business at risk by making bad decisions. Number 9, recession. I'm sure you would have heard of this word at some point, especially on the news. A recession is a period in time where there is a huge decrease in economic activity. We can say people aren't buying houses due to the recession, or it is difficult to open a business during a recession. Number 10, inflation. This word is so important and relevant to our lives. Inflation is the continuous increase on the price of goods and services. So just say a loaf of bread cost $1 10 years ago, and now it costs $2, and in the next 10 years it will be $3. That's inflation. Now before we close this lesson, I want to give you 2 bonus phrases. We have bear market and bull market. These phrases go together and they are used to describe financial markets like the stock market. A bear market is a period when a market's prices are going down, and a bull market is a period when a market's prices are going up. In a sentence, we can say, I usually buy in a bull market and sell in a bear market. And that's it, guys. In our lesson today, we looked at financial business English words to help you talk about money and business. If you enjoyed this lesson, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more English learning videos. Thank you for your time today, and this is Ashley with Level Up English signing out. Goodbye.